How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Facebook profile picture without losing likes. Now, if you open up the app and log into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now to change the profile picture, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen that you can see just below the home page icon. And here, if you tap on the profile, then you'll be able to see the select profile picture option on Facebook. Now you can either import from Instagram if you have linked your account with Instagram, or you can select profile picture from your device. Now to upload a picture, all you need to do is select profile picture and you'll be able to select a profile picture from your gallery or photos of you on Facebook or assisted Facebook, or you can select an already existing picture on Facebook. Now just tap on camera roll and select a picture, and here you'll be able to save the picture and change your profile picture. Now what you want to note is that you can't change a picture without losing a like. Now you can't change a profile picture without losing likes. What I've meant by that is, now you will have to change a profile picture, and the profile picture will be a completely new post or a completely new picture. You won't be able to get back the same likes or the likes or comments that you have had before on your profile picture. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.